Today, I'll show you how to cancel an invoice on Honeybook. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone managing projects, knowing how to efficiently handle your invoices is crucial. Canceling an invoice might sound a bit daunting, but in Honeybook, it's a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open the project that contains the invoice you want to cancel. To do this, head over to your Projects tab. This area is essentially your command center in Honeybook. It neatly organizes all your client interactions and files, making it easy to manage everything in one place. Once you're there, look for the specific project associated with the invoice you're aiming to cancel. Clicking on the correct project will take you directly to that client's details. Now that you've opened the right project, it's time to locate the specific file containing the invoice. Click on the Files tab within the project. This tab holds all the documents and contracts linked to your project, so it might take a moment to find exactly what you're looking for. Keep an eye out for the Smart File. Smart Files are Honeybook's way of bundling related documents together, and this is where your invoice is stored. Once you've found the Smart File, you'll need to enter the editor to proceed. Click to open the file. You'll be taken to a screen where you can view and manage the file's details. If you discover that the invoice has already been partially paid, there's an extra step involved. You might need to issue a refund or adjust the remaining balance before proceeding with cancellation. This is important because Honeybook ensures that any financial transactions related to the invoice are correctly handled before voiding it. With everything in order, you're ready to void the file. Navigate to the top right corner of the file viewer. Here, you'll see a three dots icon, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down list of actions you can take. From this menu, select Void. This action effectively cancels the invoice, removing it from any active status and ensuring that it's no longer in play for future transactions or reminders. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled an invoice on Honeybook. Remember, canceling an invoice is an irreversible action, so make sure it's something you really want to do before you complete these steps. Managing your invoices efficiently not only helps keep your business operations smooth, but also maintains clear communication with your clients. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process a bit clearer for you. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Honeybook's support team is a great resource. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for tips on how to make the most out of Honeybook's features.